Say romantic phrases in Spanish. Spanish is probably the second most romantic language next to French. Learning the Spanish language can be both fun and challenging, especially if you are looking to impress a Latin man or woman. Enroll in a Spanish language course. A Spanish language short course is the best way to go if you really want to sound authentic. The lessons are properly structured so the students get to learn the language in a correct step-by-step approach. Add to that the advantage of having regular interaction with fellow students, which can significantly enrich the learning experience. This is because you get the chance to practice and hone all those Spanish words you have learned without having to feel embarrassed about not being an expert Spanish speaker yet. Buy an English-Spanish dictionary. This is especially useful for people who have trouble remembering Spanish words. It will also be good reference material you can turn to when you are unsure of specific words, meanings or pronunciations. When learning new words in a foreign language, it's helpful to say them out loud. You'll memorize them faster and you'll be able to hone your pronunciation. Listen to Spanish love songs. People tend to forget other languages they have learned because they do not get to speak and listen to it on a regular basis. Listening to Spanish love songs is one way of assuring this doesn't happen to you. Just download some Spanish love songs onto your MP3 player so you can listen to them while you're on the subway or having your lunch break. Research the lyrics on the web and look for an English translation. You can quote these lyrics or use them to come up with your own romantic phrases to impress your date. Practice. Here are some romantic phrases in Spanish you can memorize and hopefully be able to put into good use. Do you have a girlfriend? ¿Tienes novia? Do you have a boyfriend? ¿Tienes novio? I like you a lot. Me gustas mucho. I've been thinking about you. He estado pensando en ti. I can't stop thinking of you. No puedo dejar de pensar en ti. I'm very lucky to know you. Soy muy afortunado. De conocerte. Shall we dance? Bailemos. I want you. Te deseo. Kiss me bésame. I love you te quiero. My love mi amor. I miss you. Te echo de menos. Will you marry me? Te casarás conmigo. By going through all the trouble of studying Spanish, you will impress your Latin lover. Your lover will greatly appreciate the effort you exerted in understanding his or her native language. Useful links, free online Spanish lessons.